She is so stupid. Such a dork.
I love how you dance to no music. It's great.
No one other than us can play music ever again.
I love your moves.
You're going down, Milo, like a cheesy wedding singer on the Titanic. Yeah, well, being her boys ain't afraid of squat. Yeah! Ready your instruments.
Is it over?
Are you tired?